All right, so let me back up just a little bit here because you guys need to understand that I've been in this since the pre-sale. So this was where it was launched at on pinksale, and you can see right here at the bottom where it says you're purchased. I spent 5 BNB, and when I did this, I earned about 123.3 Safuu. Now, since then, I have taken out my initial investment already and got that back. And that's something that I highly recommend and suggest that anybody does when you invest in these projects is to try to withdraw your initial investment and then leave what you have left in there to grow, because all that is going to be extra profit for you. So if we jump over here to look at the charts of Safuu back here when it first launched, this is about where I got in. Right about this point here, somewhere I think around the $25 mark. Since then, I've been holding it and watching it going up and up and up all the way to this point where, yes, it was very tempting to take profits on it, which I think I did a little bit. Actually, it was probably down in this area. And that's when I took my initial investment back. And then since then, it's hit a peak, it's dropped, it's went up, it's went down. This is crypto, expect that. And if this kind of thing stresses you out and makes you go crazy, crypto may not be for you, because this is just how it works. And so if we go on over here, you can see where it took a big drop. This was a couple weeks ago, I believe. Let's see, it was on the 10th. And this was early in the morning. I remember it because I woke up, I looked at my phone to come in here and check the chart. And when I did, it was right around $115. And I was like, wow. So I went and bought 20 more. So that gave me a total of about 143 Safuu that I bought so far in this project. Now I'm still holding those, and you can see here where it's kind of holding steady really right around this point here between 160 and 170. But what I want to do is show you in my account and show you the advantages of staking in these types of projects that offer auto staking and auto compounding, which basically means you buy the coin and you just hold it in your wallet every 15 minutes. With some projects, it's every 30 minutes. They're going to automatically recompound, and you're going to be earning on those every 15 minutes. Or you can see that you can buy Safuu right here. Now you do have to have BNB to buy Safuu. You can buy that from Binance. I use the crypto.com app. I'll put a link for that below this video if you want to check it out. But that's how I buy my BNB. Then what I do is I send it over to my metamask wallet. And you want to make sure that you are on the Binance or the Smart Chain network. If you don't know how to add that to your MetaMask, just go to Google and type in Binance MetaMask, and it'll give you directions. Usually on the first link, you'll find directions how to add that to your MetaMask wallet. And then what you want to do is scroll down here, and you'll see the Safuu contract address. So you want to copy this long series of letters and numbers here. And you want to come back up to your MetaMask, and under your assets here, you want to click on import tokens. And I believe if you're on the mobile version, you don't see this option for custom tokens. You would just paste the code right here. But when you're on a desktop, you want to click on custom token and you want to paste it. And it says the token's already been added for me because I already have it in my wallet. And then all you have to do is add it, and then it'll add the Safuu coin into your wallet. Next, all you have to do is come here and click on to buy Safuu. It's going to take you to Bogged Finance. Here you want to make sure that you are connected with your wallet and you are on the BSC or the Binance Smart Chain network. And then here you're going to see where you can buy with BNB. So currently I have 3.9 BNB in my wallet. If I wanted to, I could say, okay, I want to spend 1 BNB on Safuu. And if I do, that's going to give me 2.3 Safuu. You're going to click on swap, and then in a few minutes that should show up in your wallet. Just keep in mind though that there is a tax when you buy and when you sell Safuu. That's what helps to create the fund that helps to support the longevity of this project. So if we come back to the website and scroll down, I believe it says somewhere here, down here under tokenomics, you can see when you buy, there is a 14% tax, and when you sell, there is a 16% tax. So keep that in mind. that you're not going to get 100% of whatever you buy, or if you sell it, you're not going to get 100% of what you're selling. Instead, there is this tax that has to be paid on that. And these taxes are what helps to sustain this project. And so with Safuu, the longer you hold it, the more of it you get. And as long as the price stays the way it is or goes up, you're going to be very happy with this project. But obviously this is crypto, guys. And with this project or any other type of crypto project, anything can happen. So once again, I will put those links below this video if you want to come here and check out Safuu or even invest a little bit yourself. So that's it for this video. I will see you guys on the next one.